Welcome to White Hat Ways. In this video, we'll be learning about maximize conversion value bidding strategy. So maximize conversion value bidding strategy is again an automated bidding strategy which focuses upon the conversion value. And the agenda of this particular bidding strategy would be to gain as much revenue as possible. So Google would try to push itself and bring you as much as revenue as possible for you. So in this particular bidding strategy, the number of conversions do not play a role. This is in contrast to the previous bidding strategy, which was maximize conversion bidding strategy, in which the number of conversions used to play a role. However, it is not a criteria in this particular bidding strategy. This bidding strategy would focus upon getting you as much as revenue, as much as conversion value for you. So Google would automatically optimize and set your bids in such a manner so that it can bring you maximum conversion value for you. So since it is an automated bidding strategy, you are handing over the free reins in the hand of Google to get you as much conversion value as possible by bidding on the keywords as selected by you and raising their bids if ever it predicts that these keywords are worthy enough and these clicks would eventually result in a maximum conversion value to you. So you give Google your budget and you are thereby asking Google to find you as much revenue as possible. So like any other bidding strategy, which is an automated bidding strategy, you need to set up the conversion tracking, and in this particular case you would also need to set up the conversion value for every conversion possible. So this is a prerequisite for this particular bidding strategy, that not only the conversion tracking has to be installed, however the conversion value also has to be set. So this particular bidding strategy can be assumed to be an extension of maximize conversion bidding strategy, which only considers upon the volume of conversions. However, in this particular bidding strategy, we are not only considering the volume of conversions, we are also keeping in account the conversion value. How much is the value this particular conversion is going to bring to me? How much is the revenue this particular conversion is bringing me? So this is also what is getting accounted for in this particular bidding strategy. So for all the obvious reasons, this is a far better version of maximize conversion bidding strategy. Now let us move to the slide and see what it says. In this particular strategy, you are giving Google free rein to try and maximize the value of return in terms of revenue figure attached to your conversion. It would try to maximize that with respect to the budget available. So what it means is that this particular bidding strategy would aim at increasing and maximizing the revenue within your budget constraints. You are telling Google to go out and find out as much money as possible. With this particular bidding strategy, you are actually asking Google to just go out and find out as much money as possible in raw terms to maximize your revenue. So you need to set up conversion value at the time of setting up the conversion. So as has already been told, you need to set up conversion value while setting up the conversion tracking. We have not learned conversion tracking as of now. In the coming videos, we will be learning how to set up the conversions. So let's move to the last point in this particular slide, which says if you have two products, one is 2,000 rupees and the other is 10,000 rupees, it is not that Google would push the sales of 10,000 rupees product to bring you more conversion value. If Google's algorithm predicts that 2,000 rupees product has a greater frequency of sales and can bring higher conversion value, then Google would push the bids on the keywords to bring those smaller sales. So what it says is that let's suppose that we have two products in our website. One is a 2,000 rupees product and the other one is a 10,000 rupees product. So you should not presume that since it is a maximized conversion value, so Google would only try to push the sales of a 10,000 rupees product and it might leave 2,000 products. No. Google might go ahead, and if it predicts that 2000 rupees products has a greater chances and it has a greater frequency of sales, and it might get sold lot many number of times than the 10,000 rupees product, so it might push the sales of 2000 rupees product to maximize your conversion value. So the entire objective behind Google using this particular bidding strategy is to gain as much conversion value as possible, be it through a lot many sales of 2000 rupees products or a fewer sales of 10,000 rupees products. So if Google predicts or thinks that rupees 2000 rupee products are getting sold off more and they have a higher tendency, higher frequency of getting sold, so it might go ahead and push their sales rather than emphasizing upon the 10,000 rupees product. So it is not that it will only focus upon the higher value products. However and however it might think, it might go ahead and focus upon whichever products so that it can gain you a good amount of conversion value. That is the entire focus of Google with this particular bidding strategy. It is not that it will only focus those products which are of higher value. No. It can go ahead and sell lower value products in a larger quantity to gain a maximized conversion value for you. Now let's go to the other slide and see what it says. Like any automated bidding strategy, you need to have good healthy amount of conversions in your account. So like any other automated bidding strategy, be it target CPA, be it target ROAS, be it maximize conversions, this particular bidding strategy also requires ample amount of conversion data. If the conversion data is not there, Google will not have anything to fall back upon. Google is not a human being. Google is an artificial intelligence which has been deployed by human beings only. So it needs to have data to fall back upon. What are your conversions? What do they look like? Who are the people who get converted? Who have already converted in the past? What are their traits? How do they surf? Where do they click? What are they in market for to buy various products? What are their long-term interests? So every damn possible thing Google needs to know through your past conversion data so that it can trigger such people and get you such kind of clicks which are worthy of gaining you a maximized conversion value. Now the last point of the slide says you also need to have a good amount of budget in your campaign for this strategy to run efficiently. Otherwise, Google would not have a flexibility to run this campaign properly. So you need to have ample amount of budget for this particular bidding strategy to run properly. Unless you have an ample amount of budget in your account, Google might feel suffocated. You cannot constrain Google to run within a very constrained budget and then vouch for or aim for maximized conversion value. You will have to leave Google freely so that it can raise the bids till the point it predicts that it would have to raise to get you those kind of clicks which are worthy enough to get you maximized conversion value. So unless you give that kind of freedom to Google, Google would not be able to function properly. So you need to carry a good amount of budget in your campaign. So with this, let's move on to the account and let's see where do we set up and how do we set up this maximized conversion value bidding strategy. So let's move to the account now. So you will go to your campaign. You will go to settings. We will click on the campaign name. As you can see, the settings window has opened. Down below you can see bidding has been set to manual CPC, which we are going to change it to maximize conversion value. So I'll click on change bid strategy and I will choose maximize conversion value, and then I will click on save. So this is how you can set maximize conversion value to be your bidding strategy for your campaign. So with this, I end up this video on maximize conversion value. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel White Hat Ways. Thanks a lot for your time. Thank you.